What's up, guys? So in this video we're gonna learn how we can save WhatsApp status, maybe those status that we posted by some of our friends on WhatsApp, how we can save them to our mobile devices. So what I mean is, if you go on WhatsApp now, if you get to your right, notice there are a whole lot of status from people which we can actually view on WhatsApp. So this tutorial is going to teach us how we can actually save them to our mobile device. So what you just have to do, you have to go to your menu section, and from there you head over to Google Play Store, which we have here. So when you click on Google Play Store, you just have to click search status saver, which is this I searched on it just now, and the one we're downloading right now is this one. So we click on this status sticker saver and then we hit install. So it's gonna take some time. After installation, we'll get back. So as you can see, it's downloading right now into my phone, which it later start installing. So as you can see, it's finally got installed. So we just click on this open here, and then it's gonna open up. You just have to grant it access to media and also to photos. Okay, so what we just need to do now is to go back. So what's just gonna happen, since it has loaded, I'll just go away from here, and then let me search for a picture as well from the WhatsApp status. You just view it from your WhatsApp and then go back. And thereafter, you just have to click on this plus icon here. So when you click on it, you just click on save. So you do same for both pictures and videos, and then you're going to save to your gallery. So if you go to our gallery now, I think it's called AI gallery. Okay, so if you click on this AI gallery and then you scroll down, okay, if you notice, we have it here on our status. Here now you can see it on your status on your gallery. So this is how you can actually save videos and pictures from WhatsApp to your mobile device, into your phone's gallery. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the like button and do it to subscribe. If you want to get notified when I release more content, you can just hit on the notification bell. Thanks, and do have a nice day.